Welcome to Technique Friday with Els. Today I'll be showing a Christmas card featuring the Love, Joy and Peace Christmas ornament die set, the Garden Notes Frame It stitched square, and the Holiday Holly and Berries, and then the Ornate Snowflake, which you'll find in the middle here. So this card is just a beautiful, elegant and quick card. So you can see I used the stitched here, the stitched frame on the outside, and these are the dies I used. So this is the ornament set, the Love, Peace and Joy. So it's of course mirrored here. Beautiful ornament from Suzanne. This is the Ornate Snowflake die set. Beautiful, beautiful set. So it has 3 different sizes and I'm using the middle one here. Then we have the stitched frames. And what it does, so it has the stitching on the outside and it cuts the inside. So this, the largest here, is 5 1/4. And we also have that one. So this is the square that I'm using, and of course the dropout pieces are the perfect squares. And then we have it in rectangles, and then we have it in ovals. So it gives a beautiful frame for, of course, Susan's flowers, but I'm using it here with the ornament. And then we have the circle. So those are from the Garden Notes series, the Frame It stitched dies. So this is the card. So here I have the card. The base is a 5 by 5, a white soft finish. And this is the stitch frame. You see the stitching here. And I backed it with foam tape. But I'm not going to put that together yet, because first I'm going to make the ornament. So this is the ornament. And of course you got a dropout circle here. And then this is the snowflake. And that snowflake, what it does, it has a 3-dimensional element to it. So I can lift up these pieces, you see. So that's what I have here, and that's what you also see here on that card. And what I did is I took a little bit of the kids glue, and I basically just I can put it on my hands, and I just kind of went through there like this, just go around. I'm left-handed, I should have had my glue on the other hand. And then I had the ornament. I just put that ornament down like this, and then I centered it. So you see I have some extra on the side. I'm just going to trim that off in a second. So I just put this down like this. See, so here I have my, now it's stuck to the back here. And then you see I have those extra pieces. So I just trim those off. And then I have that beautiful, make sure you don't trim off anything from your ornament itself, of course. And then our little scissors are perfect for that. And this one, I think that's the last one. Yeah, you see, so now I have my beautiful ornament. So I have a little bit of thread here, and I forgot my gold, so it will be silver in this case, which is fine. So I need to put that through. And I'm just going to put a little bit of tape on there to hold it together while I put the card together, so that that doesn't slip, that I don't lose it. I'm just going to put it here, and it will be cut off later. So then I'm going to take my card, going to put my ornament here in the center, and I'm going to do that the same way. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on my right hand this time. And this is kids glue, so it doesn't hurt your skin or whatever. So you can just put it on there. And then just kind of like a few different pieces. But make sure you lift this up so that doesn't pick up any glue. And it doesn't need a lot, so this should be enough. Okay, I don't need this yet. I can just center this. Just center that on the card. And of course you can measure the center. A lot of times when I'm at home, I actually look up what the center is. I'm just going to push it down. Yeah, this will be perfect. So that, make sure this is up. And now I'm going to put my frame on here. So this is kind of give it some depth, which is nice with that stitched frame here. And Susan is using these for her flowers because of course it frames up the flowers beautiful. So this is just going to be here. Just leave it there. And this is going to fit exactly on the card. There we go. So then I'm going to pull this and then press it down here. And then I'm going to trim off that twine or the thread here. See, so now I have my beautiful ornament. Then I'm going to take a pearl and put it in the center. That's the pearl, and then I'm going to take a little bit, like here I have a beautiful part of the holly and holly berries, and Susan created this one. Just going to a little blob of the glue, and this is a dry clear, so it looks white but it will dry clear. And of course you can put anything on the top here. You can use the berry branch from Susan as well, which will be beautiful, or one of the small flowers that she has, like a small poinsettia can go on the top. So anything of the small flowers from Susan will fit perfectly. And so this is again a beautiful sample of how well our designers work together, because there's something from Susan, from Becky and from Suzanne in here. And I love that element that we can mix and match the different designers. And you see the beautiful 3D element in here. So that's it for today. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. And I've suggested a couple of videos I think you enjoy. And don't forget to download the free project sheet and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.